Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about HARBIN Bank interim report. HARBIN Bank Co., Limited offers a wide range of banking products and services in China. The company's business segments include banking products, demand and time deposits, personal savings, corporate deposits and loans, credit and debit card settlement, and clearing services, personal wealth management services, money market placement, investment and repurchasing services, foreign exchange transaction services. The company also provides various payment services, including bank counter, online, phone, and self-service payments. Additionally, it offers cash management and trade financing solutions, e-digital banking services, bill services and intermediate services, online, mobile and phone banking services, security center services, interbank finance, bond underwriting, and distribution services. Furthermore, the company engages in foreign exchange and RMB exchange and settlement services, as well as cross-border remittance services. The stock price of HARBIN Bank, 6138 HK, has skyrocketed in the past year due to a combination of positive developments and announcements. The bank's 2024 annual results showed a net profit attributable to shareholders of 915 million yuan, an increase of 19.96% year-on-year, exceeding the banking industry's average growth rate. Additionally, HARBIN Bank's green finance initiatives have been successful, with its green loan balance increasing by over 60% since the beginning of the year. The bank's overall performance has also contributed to the positive sentiment towards Chinese bank stocks. The improvement in the banking sector's profits in the second quarter was attributed to easing pressure in the bond market and a decline in deposit rates, contributing to confidence in interest margins. Furthermore, HARBIN Bank's commitment to deeply cultivating the real economy and demonstrating financial responsibility has instilled investor confidence. These factors have collectively contributed to an upward trend in HARBIN Bank's stock price, with its 52-week high reaching 0.57 HKD, representing a rise of approximately 115.09% from its 52-week low. As of September 18, 2025, the closing price was around 0.43 HKD, indicating a significant increase in value over the past year. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline are largely influenced by various business segments and financial activities. On the growth side, increased loan disbursements to key sectors, total sales of personal wealth management products, and deferred revenue have contributed significantly to revenue expansion. Additionally, intermediary services revenue has also seen a notable increase. On the other hand, revenue decline is attributed to factors such as decreases in net capital, lower capital adequacy ratios, and changes in fair value of financial assets. Furthermore, specific business entities like Shanghai Securities Co., Limited, have experienced declines due to bond repurchases and interbank corporation overdrafts. These fluctuations highlight the dynamic nature of revenue growth and decline in various sectors. Net income and profit margins experienced fluctuations in the given period. Net income saw an increase of 17.28%, 12.3%, and 4.9% at various points, but also decreased by an unspecified amount. The overall trend showed a net income increase from $7,198.7 million in 2024 to $7,385.5 million in 2025. Profit margins underwent changes as well. Net interest margin decreased by 0.26 percentage points and 0.6%, while the cost-to-income ratio increased by 1.41 percentage points. The operating profit margin, OPM, saw an increase of 4.3%, but also a decrease of -7.2%. Profit margins varied across regions, with southwestern China seeing an increase of 22.7% and other regions experiencing a surge of 130.8%. The changes in net income and profit margins can be attributed to various factors, including the bank's increased support for loan customers, which contributed to its continued support for the real economy. The shift towards retail finance business also played a role, with an increase from 50.6% to 52%. Overall, while there were fluctuations in net income and profit margins, the trend showed a general upward movement in both areas. The company's financial performance indicates a strong operating cash flow. The change in cash and balances with the central bank shows a significant increase of 23,714,751 RMB from December 2024 to June 2025. Furthermore, the net operating cash flow is also positive at 48,1 151,092 RMB. These figures collectively suggest that the company is generating substantial positive operating cash flow. The company's debt level and interest expenses have shown mixed signals in recent years. While the total debt level has increased by approximately 1.3% from December 31, 2024 to June 30, 2025, indicating a slight rise in debt, the interest expenses have decreased by around 5% from 2024 to 2025. However, there are some exceptions, such as an increase in interest expense on debt securities issued. Overall, the trend suggests that the company's debt level has not changed significantly, but its interest expenses have decreased slightly. Management is emphasizing a multifaceted approach to drive the company's growth. Key strategies include strengthening intermediary business through integrated service solutions, expanding transaction banking with digital finance promotion, focusing on scenario-based finance and digital intelligence, enhancing customer service capabilities and technology empowerment. In response to market changes, management is adjusting business strategies to prioritize stable returns and risk management. This includes strengthening market and liquidity risk management, refining investment decision-making processes, and improving operational efficiency. Additionally, the company aims to enhance development quality through credit risk management and operational risks control. HB Leasing will focus on agriculture and rural areas, developing its featured businesses and exploring new income sources. Overall, management is committed to driving growth while prioritizing stability and risk management. The company has a history of paying dividends to its shareholders, as evident from the financial summary. Specifically, it is mentioned in Note 13 on page 98 that dividends are paid, and this is further supported by pages 105 and 115, which show dividend payments for both 2025 and 2024. This indicates that the company has a consistent track record of rewarding its shareholders through dividend payouts. That concludes the financial summary for Harbin Bank. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.